Your clothes are not only cleaned but looked after with the innovative drum design on this Samsung washer dryer. Ecobubble creates penetrative bubbles by combining air, water and detergent. They get into your laundry and effectively remove stains whilst allowing you to wash at a cooler temperature, so you can save energy without compromising on performance. The 59-minute wash and dry cycle can get through a load of up to 1 kilogram in under an hour. It's ultra convenient and time-saving, so you can have an outfit ready to go in a flash. Great for when you need laundry cleaned quickly. A 30-minute bubble soak can be added to any of your preferred wash programs. It's designed to loosen and lift stains from any material, leaving your clothes clean and spotless. With a choice of programs and functions, laundry time is made easier with this powerful washer-dryer from Samsung.